Today we are going to be learning a song by Dr. R.A. Vernon, and the title of the song is You Covered Me. I'll be playing in the key of D. Alright, so let's get on with it. So basically that's the whole song. The progression is a simple one in the key of D. It's 1, 5, 6, and then 4. Alright, so for your 1, you could play a simple chord on your left. This your 1, and then your 5, 6, and then 4. So let me show you the chords on the right hand. For my D major, this is what I'll play. Okay, so I can now also leave this A and play this A. Alright, so or I could play it this way, or I could play it this way. All of them is your D added 9th. Alright, so from your 1, you move to your 5th chord. A 9th, and this my C chord, B minor. This is my notes. I could play B minor 7th, which I used. You could also play B minor 9th, right, depending on how you want it. So this way or this way. Alright, and then this your fourth chord, which is your G major 9. Okay, so when you're getting to the fourth, okay, let me show you. Now, when I'm moving to my fourth chord, I could play it like this by maintaining my right hand on my B minor and then playing it this way. I could add this note to it to make it. I play my minor 7th here and then my fourth chord here. And then you get the glory. This is how they played it. They played a 1 chord 1/5. You get the glory, you get the praise, you get the glory. Alright, so it's a 1 chord 1/5. Then you now move your right to play your normal 5th chord. Alright. So I believe this chord should be able to help you play. And then don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. Thank you.